Welcome. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Let your hands rest easily. Let your shoulders drop. If you want to, you can close your eyes. And if you keep them open, that is fine too. You are safe here. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out a little slower. Now, let your attention move to your face. Allow your forehead to soften. Let your eyebrows relax. Let your eyes rest in a calm, quiet way. And let your jaw loosen, as if it does not need to hold anything anymore. Let that softness move down into your neck and into your shoulders. Feel your shoulders becoming heavy, like they can finally rest. Now your chest, breathing gently, calm and steady. Your arms, your elbows, your hands, relaxing more and more. Your stomach can soften. You do not need to hold it in. Just allow it to be easy. Your lower back, your hips, your legs, your knees, your calves, all relaxing, and your feet, resting, supported, safe. Now imagine you are standing at the top of a gentle staircase. It is a wide, safe staircase. Soft light around you, quiet air, nothing to rush. In a moment, I will count from 10 down to 1. And with each number, you can feel yourself going deeper into calm. Not forcing anything, just allowing. 10. Stepping down, feeling more settled. 9. Slower now, calmer. 8. Your body feels heavier, safe. 7. Your breathing becomes smooth and easy. 6. Letting go, in your shoulders, in your chest. 5. Halfway down, quiet inside. For deeper, softer, more comfortable. 3. Peaceful, like a calm evening. 2. Almost there, relaxed and steady. 1. Deeply calm, quietly safe. Now, in this calm place, notice any anxious thoughts. You do not have to fight them. You do not have to solve them. You can simply notice them and let them pass. Imagine your thoughts are clouds in a wide sky. They can drift in and drift out, and the sky stays open and calm. If a worry appears, you can say softly to yourself, "It's okay. I am safe right now. I can let this pass." Now imagine you are sitting beside still water, a quiet lake at night. The surface is smooth. The air is cool and gentle, and each breath out is like a small ripple, carrying tension away from you. With every exhale, you release a little more. Not all at once, just a little at a time. That is enough. You might notice places in your body where anxiety likes to sit. Maybe in your chest, maybe in your stomach, maybe in your throat. Bring a gentle awareness there and breathe into it softly. As you breathe out, imagine that tightness loosening, as if it can melt, as if it can soften, as if it can open. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to feel nothing. You only need to allow calm to grow, little by little. Now, say these words inside your mind, slowly. I can slow down. I can breathe. I can feel safe. I can let go. And if your mind wanders, that is normal. You can always return to your breath. One slow breath in, one gentle breath out. In this calm space, you can remember something important. You are not your thoughts. You are not your fear. You are the quiet awareness behind them. Steady, safe, present. Now imagine a soft light in the center of your chest. Not bright, not sharp, just a gentle glow, a warm, calm feeling of steadiness. With each breath in, that glow becomes a little stronger. With each breath out, it spreads slowly into your shoulders, into your arms, into your belly, into your hips, into your legs, down to your feet. You can rest inside this feeling. Calm does not have to be forced. It can simply arrive. Now you have two options. If you want to drift into sleep, you can let my words fade. You can keep breathing gently and allow yourself to go deeper and deeper into rest. And if you want to return feeling calm and clear, you can do that too. In a moment, I will count up from 1 to 5. And with each number, you can bring back gentle awareness, keeping this calm with you. 1. Slowly becoming aware of your body again. 2. Feeling the support beneath you. 3. Taking a slightly deeper breath. 4. Bringing soft movement to your fingers and toes. 5. And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes. Take a moment. No rush. You can carry this calm with you, and you can return to it anytime. With one slow breath in and one gentle breath out,